Welcome to the Steve Jobs Theater. Of course, we aim to put the customer at the center of everything that we do. Apple Watch is not only the #1 smartwatch in the world, it's the #1 watch, period.
By closing your rings and tracking your workouts. And now you have built-in GPS, it's swim-proof. And now, I'd like to introduce the next generation of Apple Watch. And we've curved the corners to perfectly match the shape of the watch. And the screens are significantly larger. In fact, they're over 30% larger. Now, you can add loved ones to your watch face and simply tap to connect with them. We also redesigned the modular face with more detailed and graphical information from apps like stocks and heart rate and activity. So with a simple raise of the wrist, the watch face will guide you through a deep breath. And there are 3 beautiful variations to choose from. We think you're going to love everything about the new displays on Series 4. To the opposite side, as far away from the speaker as possible to reduce echo, making phone calls even clearer. So this, along with a new speaker and microphone, makes Series 4 even better for staying connected. S4 contains a powerful new dual-core 64-bit processor and a new GPU, both custom designed by our Apple Silicon team to deliver up to 2 times faster performance. So whether you slip off a step ladder or you trip on a curb, a hard fall can be serious and it can be difficult to get immediate help. It can detect a fall. With a new accelerometer and gyroscope, the watch analyzes wrist trajectory and impact acceleration to determine when a fall occurs. And after detecting a fall, Series 4 delivers an alert, a notification if your heart rate appears to be too low. Now generally, Apple Watch can now screen your heart into the back sapphire crystal and the digital crown, allowing you to take an electrocardiogram to help diagnose certain heart diseases and other conditions. You can take an ECG anytime, anywhere, right from your wrist. You just open the app and you put your finger on the digital crown. Electrical impulses from the heartbeat, they route them to the S4 chip, which converts them to signal for our algorithms. The app will classify the measurement as sinus rhythm, and the app will also classify atrial fibrillation. So now your doctor has a detailed picture of your heart rhythm, similar to a lead 1 ECG that is usually only obtained in a clinic. 18-hour all-day battery life that our customers enjoy. So you can have full GPS tracking, which is perfect for those marathons or long bike rides. And the stainless collection is absolutely beautiful with polished and space black. GPS starts at $399. Series 4 with cellular starts at $499. And we're keeping Series 3 in the line at more affordable prices, starting at just $279. 4 starting Friday, and it will be available the following Friday, September 21st.